Manavada Mamigal's disciple, Panadikal Jiyar, is the first Jiyar of this Dividesham. Vanamamalai, Twatadri, Dividesham's first Jiyar is known as Panadikal Jiyar. He was a dear disciple of Manavada Mamigal. He came and established a mutt here and he conducted all the Utsavans, daily Kainkaryams under his control on behalf of Manavada Mamigal. The tradition comes continuously and even today we have Srimad Paramahamsa Madhurkavi Vanamamalai Ramanuja G.S. Swami being the current pontiff of this mutt and overseeing all the Kainkaryams in this Dividesham.
श्रीशैलेश दयापात्रं दीभक्त्यादि गुणार्णवं यतीन्द्र प्रवणं वन्दे रम्य जामातरं मुनिं रम्य जामात्रि योगीन्द्र पादरेखामयं सदा तदा यत्तात्मसत्तादिं रामानुज मुनिं भजे।